8 home plants that promote a healthy lifestyle. Do you ever feel the need to bring a little bit of nature indoors? Well, you're not alone. Many people are discovering the positive impact that houseplants can have on their overall well-being. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, in this video, we'll introduce you to 8 remarkable home plants that not only enhance the aesthetics of your living space, but also offer numerous health benefits. We'll explore each plant's unique qualities, including their air-purifying properties, stress-reducing effects, and even their ability to promote better sleep. So let's dive in and discover the perfect plant companions for a healthy lifestyle. Number 1, snake plant. The snake plant is an excellent choice for bedrooms or offices. The snake plant is particularly effective at purifying the air and removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the environment. These chemicals are commonly found in household products, such as cleaning agents and paints. Additionally, snake plants are known for their ability to release oxygen at night, making them great for bedrooms. This makes the snake plant an ideal choice for those who suffer from allergies or respiratory issues. Another advantage of this plant is its low maintenance requirements. It can tolerate various light conditions and doesn't require frequent watering. So why not invite a snake plant into your home and enjoy its air-purifying benefits while adding a touch of natural beauty? Number 2, peace lily. The peace lily is not only a visually stunning plant, but also a powerhouse when it comes to improving indoor air quality. One of the remarkable characteristics of the peace lily is its adaptability to low light conditions, making it suitable for various parts of your home. Its elegant white flowers add a touch of grace to any space. Caring for a peace lily is relatively easy, as it requires moderate watering and thrives in average room temperatures. With its air-purifying abilities and captivating appearance, the peace lily is a fantastic choice for those seeking both aesthetic beauty and improved indoor air quality. Number 3, aloe vera. Aloe vera is more than just a trendy houseplant. It's a versatile plant with a multitude of health benefits. Known for its leaves filled with a gel-like substance, aloe vera has been used for centuries for its soothing properties. This plant is a natural go-to for treating minor burns, including sunburns, as it provides a cooling sensation and aids in the healing process. Beyond its topical uses, aloe vera also offers benefits when consumed. Its gel is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support digestive health and boost the immune system. Incorporating aloe vera into your daily routine can help promote a healthy gut and enhance overall well-being. Number 4, spider plant. The spider plant is a popular and easy-to-care-for houseplant that offers both aesthetic appeal and air-purifying qualities. One of its standout features is its ability to effectively remove formaldehyde from the air. Formaldehyde is a common indoor pollutant, and prolonged exposure to it can lead to various health issues. Another advantage of the spider plant is its ability to produce oxygen and remove carbon monoxide, making it a great addition to any room, especially those with limited ventilation. It's also a pet-friendly plant, making it a safe and beautiful choice for households with furry friends. Spider plant needs indirect sunlight and requires regular watering to keep the soil slightly moist. Number 5, Boston fern. The Boston fern is a lush and graceful plant that not only adds a touch of natural beauty to your home but also offers several health benefits. One of its remarkable qualities is its ability to act as a natural humidifier. The Boston fern releases moisture into the air, increasing humidity levels and combating dry indoor environments. This is particularly beneficial during the winter months when central heating can cause the air to become dry, leading to dry skin, respiratory discomfort, and irritated nasal passages. With its delicate fronds cascading down, the Boston fern adds a touch of elegance and a refreshing vibe to any room. Number 6, English ivy. Imagine stepping into a room filled with lush greenery where the air feels fresher and the atmosphere calmer. English ivy, with its cascading vines and mesmerizing foliage, has the power to transform your living space into a natural sanctuary. But it doesn't stop there. This incredible plant goes beyond its enchanting appearance and offers a range of benefits for your well-being. English ivy is like your own personal air purification system, effectively reducing airborne mold spores and improving indoor air quality. Additionally, English ivy can be a natural sound absorber, reducing noise levels and creating a quieter atmosphere in your home. This can be particularly useful if you live in a noisy neighborhood or have a home office. Number 7, rubber plant. The rubber plant is a versatile houseplant that brings a touch of drama to any space. Its glossy, dark green leaves and sturdy stems make it an eye-catching addition to your indoor jungle. But its beauty isn't the only thing that sets it apart. The rubber plant is a natural air purifier, capable of filtering out toxins and improving indoor air quality. It absorbs harmful substances like formaldehyde and benzene. This plant is also known for its ability to release oxygen and increase humidity, making it beneficial for those living in dry or air-conditioned spaces. Number 8. Lavender. Lavender, with its enchanting scent and delicate blossoms, is not just a beautiful plant but also a natural remedy for promoting relaxation and reducing stress. This powerhouse of a plant has been used for centuries for its therapeutic properties, known to calm the nerves and improve sleep quality. The scent of lavender has a profound effect on our well-being, invoking a sense of tranquility and helping to alleviate anxiety. Imagine having this aromatic oasis in your own home. Besides its calming benefits, lavender also attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, adding a touch of life and vibrancy to your garden. So there you have it, 8 home plants that promote a healthy lifestyle. To recap, we've introduced you to the snake plant, peace lily, aloe vera, spider plant, Boston fern, English ivy, rubber plant, and lavender. Each of these plants offers unique benefits from air purification to stress reduction and better sleep. Remember, by inviting these 8 amazing plants into your home, you'll not only enjoy their visual appeal but also reap the rewards of a healthier and more vibrant living environment. Before we go, don't forget to explore other videos on our channel for more health and wellness tips. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.